guys, Leanne here from Making My Abode. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you get any value out of this video, I would love it if you hit that like button. It helps my channel. And subscribe if you want more videos about homemaking, cleaning, recipes, whatever. Today I have a recipe for you, Instant Pot eggs. So here we go. Okay, so I have a confession to make. Sorry, it's a little bright out here, so if I'm squinting and I'm trying to adjust my camera, sorry. The eggs that you just saw actually didn't come out. And I don't know why, because I have never, ever, ever had that problem in the Instant Pot. I just hit the egg button and they come out perfect every single time. The white on this one was cooked perfect, but when I cut it open, the inside, just part of the yolk was cooked, and then the very center of the rest of the yolk was sort of raw and kind of slimy. So yeah, that didn't work, and I'm not sure why, but I have a couple theories. The first one I thought was maybe because I didn't fill the basket up like I normally do. I usually pack that sucker full with like 20 eggs, and I didn't do that this time. I can't remember, maybe like 8 or 10 eggs is what I put in there, something like that. So I'm thinking maybe that, but according to the manufacturer's directions, it says you should be able to do whatever amount. So I should be able to do 1 egg or 20 eggs, the same, and it should come out. So now I've done a new batch, which you'll see coming up. And they came out, but not even as perfect as they usually do. They usually come out completely yellow, no green or gray to the yolk, just absolutely perfect. So I don't know if I need a new sealing ring or what the deal is, but I don't know. So that's my other theory, is that the first ones that I cooked that didn't come out, I'm thinking maybe it didn't seal properly and didn't fully come to pressure, because it was 5 minutes, but it didn't take very long to start the countdown, which it usually takes about 5 or 6 minutes. So maybe it was that. I don't know. Maybe I need a new sealing ring, but I've made eggs. I've had it for a year, my Instant Pot, and I've made eggs a couple handful of times, and they have come out perfect every time. So I don't know. At the very end of this video, I'm going to show you the new eggs, and I have a recipe for buffalo, can't think. Okay, so at the very end of this, I have a recipe for buffalo deviled eggs, which has Frank's hot sauce. Basically, you just add Frank's hot sauce to your egg, mayonnaise, relish mixture, and it's so good. If you love Frank's, you will love these, and you'll see a taste test at the end. So here we go. Okay. All right, let's see what the inside looks like. Hopefully it's perfect, like it always is. Yes. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. A little bit of green on that yolk, but not enough to matter for deviled eggs, which I cut those two wrong, but that's okay. So I'm going to make a buffalo deviled egg. Almost put that in the wrong spot. And basically, it's a regular deviled egg with Frank's. It's so good. So, so good. Now for the taste test. Look at that. So good. Tangy. Vinegary, spicy. So good. Okay, so there you have it. Instant Pot eggs and a deviled egg, buffalo deviled egg recipe. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you love those eggs. I do. They're so good. If you got any value out of this video, I'd love it if you hit the like button, and we'll see you next time. Bye!